Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Trix. Hang on, let me just adjust the camera. Today is going to be another Rust video where we're going to be doing some more exercises from Rust. I believe this is part... I'm not even going to bother remembering which part it is. Just do it and get it over with. But yeah, let's get right into the video. So today we're going to be doing Proverb, Raindrops, and Summer Multiples. So Proverb. For want of a horseshoe nail, a kingdom was lost, also the saying goes. Given a list of inputs, generate the relevant proverb. For example, given the list nail, shoe, horse, rider, message, battle, kingdom, you output the following text of this proverb rhyme. For want of a nail, the shoe was lost. For want of a shoe, the horse was lost. For want of a horse, the rider was lost. For want of a rider, the message was lost. Message, battle, lost. Battle, kingdom, lost. And all for want of a nail. Inputs may vary. Your solution should be able to handle arbitrary. Well, looks like we're cheating for this one, lads. Solutions. Cool. This one looks interesting. So, this is basically saying, and you might need to import that import. Hang on. So, list and string, use std iter once. Hang on. Okay, so we'll come back to this bit. So we're using a switch case statement, which is just a match on the list to retrieve the first element of that list, right? If there is no element, you make a new string. You make a new string variable. You make a new string. Yeah, you return a new string. Otherwise, if there is a word in this list first, you extract the word. And Windows 2, I'm not sure what this does, but next it maps each word in the format for want of a whatever, the whatever was lost, with first index in the word list and second index in the word list, then chain once, format and all for the want of a... Oh! So it loops over this one, right? So it keeps doing this one, and then it chains all the way to this one to chains this at the very end to put the first word in this place here, if that makes sense. And then all you do is collect it all together to form a full string. So this will access the string array, right? Because you basically broken word into multiple strings in a string array, I believe. And then all you're doing is you're collecting it so that all of the strings come back together into one full string. Mark complete, confirm, show me more. Next is raindrops. Task is to convert a number into a string that contains raindrop sound corresponding to certain potential factors. A factor is a number that evenly divides into another number, leaving the remainder. The simplest way to assess if the number one number is a factor of another is to use the modulo operation. That's just percentage. The rules of raindrops are that if a given number has a factor of 3, add pling to the result. Oh, this looks like FizzBuzz. Has a factor of 5, add plang to the result. Has a factor of 7, add plong to the result. Does not have any of the 3, 5, or 7 as a factor. The result should be the digits of the number. Plong, pling, plong, pling, plang, plong. Ah, okay, hang on. So I could use a match here. So match on n. How do matches look again? Match n, right? Then you do n if n mod 3 equals 0, then we return pling. Hang on. Pling. Hang on. Let my result equal empty string, right? then result plus equals thing, right? Then we have a comma at the end. And if n mod 5 equals 0, result plus equals 9. And if n mod 7 equals 0, result plus equals long. And then other, I want to see my solution that I done last time, because I know I have a solution that does something similar. Is it prime factors? No. Is it nth prime? No. Leap, here we are. Yeah, if whatever, true, 100 for otherwise. Should be result plus equals n dot 2 underscore 3. Nope, don't know. I know this, like, the logic works, but I don't know why it's not working. Solutions. Okay, let's have a look, because I want to see when someone uses match. Yeah, okay, hang on. Then we have this, which just has result plus equals, result plus equals, result plus equals. And then this just has result plus equals. For run test. And if expected struct found what? Oh. And return. Okay, wait, hang on. Equals mismatch types. And show found struct string. Would it work if I just done this? String. How? Yeah, I'm doing. Oh. There we are. So I have 15 tests passed. What's not passing? Left is pling plang plong, right is just pling. This one is pling plang. This one is pling plong. This one is pling plang plong. These ones ran fine. One pling plang pling 8 pling plang. Okay, so 15. Okay, so which one's failed? So 105, 15, 21, and 35. So 105 is pling plang plong, and it's 105. What did I return? Pling plang plong. Right, just pling. Why? That's so weird. Huh? Don't know. Sorry about that. My mom called me for some help. So let me look at the solution again. I'm genuinely confused. You know what? I've never used this one before, so I might as well. Okay, all this is doing, I don't even need to have the match at the bottom. I could just do this. No, I can't. I need to actually have the match at the bottom, don't I? I mean the return result. Return result. This dude has return result. Yep. Okay, cool. So I just need to change all of these to return results. Result. This is like the smart dumb way of doing it, where basically instead of making it dynamic that you check in each one, you have your check at the very top in this match case statement, and then each one will either return true or false, right? So if they all return true, so they're all 0, then it'll do pling plong plonk. Then you just check if each one is 0 afterwards, right? And then if all of them are not 0, you just want to return the number. Simple. I don't know why mine wasn't working properly. Not found num. Oh, he done num instead of n, isn't it? And then this one. Oh, let me quick run this. There we are. Run this. That should work now. Yep, cool. Submit. Mark as complete. Confirm. Show me more. And next one is sum of multiples. Given a number, find the sum of all unique multiples of a particular number up to, but not including that number. If we list all the natural numbers below 20 that are multiples of 3 or 5, we get 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 12, 15, 18. Some of these multiples 78. Okay, so hang on. Limit factors. Okay, given a number. Yeah, so limit, I'm assuming, is a number. Sum all the unique multiples of a particular number up to, but not including that number. Multiples of 3 or 5. So that would be a list with a specific index. So all you need to do is you would do from, so it would be like factors bracket 0 to limit plus 1. Then you'd have dot map bracket number right, so that gets the actual number in the thing. Number mod factors bracket 0 or number of factors bracket 1 equals 0, then you'd have, I'm not sure. This one, but I'm pretty sure I could do something different. So, okay, so this is what they have, right? Yeah, 1 to the limit, not including that limit. So what I had was +1, it wasn't necessary. But it's saying filter, retrieve the number, do factor.iter.any and f for factor not equal to 0 and number modulus factor equals 0. So couldn't I just do from factors bracket 0? Wouldn't this work? One test failed. Index out of bound, then is 0, but the index is 0. Ah! Now I understand. So this has to be 1. Because I was thinking, if you know that this is always going to have a value in it, you could just put the lowest value here of the factors element in here, and then just iterate up instead of having to check every single one. But that makes sense. Because, like, say for example, it's like 13. You don't want to start at 1 if you're going to 13. You could just start at 13. But I didn't know that the factors list may not have an element inside it at all. Interesting. But yeah, that's going to be it for the Rust video today. I know the videos are still scuffed, like I'm looking at solutions and stuff. But honestly, when I'm looking at the solutions, it makes sense to me. Like, I'm not going to justify that anymore. It just makes sense to me when I look at the solutions because it's like working out. I just try to understand it as I mess about with the solution. But yeah. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please leave a like on the video. If you dislike the video, please leave a dislike on the video and comment down below any things you'd like me to change to improve your viewing experience and to make the content on the channel better. Otherwise, subscribe to the channel and peace. Enjoy the rest of your day.